This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome to section number 3. I hope you liked the section 2 and where you have learned some of the tools related to lean marketing funnel of all of those 5 stages. In this section, I am going to reveal some of the underground hacks which I have found in my journey of learning of growth hacking in the past 5 to 6 months. When I was learning and I was experimenting growth hacking techniques, I have found these hacks, especially which can actually fit in any industry, any company, whether it is e-commerce, retail, or wholesale. It can be a brick and mortar company, and you can start implementing them right from the day one. Now, there are 18 must follow hacks, as I said, and what I have done is I have divided them into 9 different videos. Each video will talk about 2 different hacks, and that makes 18 of them in the whole section. So I can't wait to see you inside because I'm going to reveal some of the underground hacks right in front of you, and you may be surprised to see them and may or may not have actually heard of them also in the past. So let's get started. Let's get inside. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.